Hello, my name is Mohamed Camara. That's a good question. I came across the organization through the interim director right now, Mr. Foley, Edmund Foley, and it was over a Zoom call a couple of months back when I was in school. And from what he talked about regarding the institution, the kind of work they do in the African human rights systems, and the mechanisms that they use to be able to further the cause of human rights on the continent, and the work that as an intern I could potentially do for the organization was really interesting for me to hear. And shortly after that I applied, and I'm very lucky that I'm here now working with the organization. Worked on a bunch of things, but research was the core of what I did. But I've had a chance to work on 2 complaints. Along with traveling for fact-finding trips in Togo and Benin. My expectations, I didn't really know what to expect. I knew that I was going to be in a space that was very present in the African human rights systems from my research on the IHRDA, but I didn't know what that would look like for me as an intern. And I've been very pleasantly surprised by the amount of trust that the attorneys here have been able to put in me, the work that I've been able to do, and but more importantly, the learning aspect of things. For the people, I think the people have been really nice. My colleagues, from the attorneys who supervise me to the interns and the other fellows who are in the office. I feel like I've been really welcomed into the community, in the office and beyond. So some I play soccer with, some have introduced me to their friends, and every weekend I feel like I'm in a different part of the Gambia. And as I mentioned before, I've been very privileged to have had a chance to attend some fact-finding trips beyond the Gambia. This summer it's been a summer of learning and growth. There are many lessons that I've learned, and I think just at a pedagogical level, like learning about the process of taking a case from a victim of a human rights violation to whether the ECOWAS Court or the Commission or the African Court of Human and People's Rights. Those are it's one thing to read about those processes, and another thing to see how they work out, and the time that they might take to come to fruition. Here, it's a really great place. I've been privileged to see fellows who went through the program here, and what they're doing in the respective countries is really astonishing. And I think this can be a really great place for people to become sources of hope in their own communities. So come work here, and when you come work here, be part of the community, embrace the people, the experiences, and if you do that, this will be a very rewarding summer. I just want to say thank you to IHRDA and the community that I've been able to build here, and everyone who's really made this trip a really meaningful one for me. So just words of gratitude for everyone who's made this a really meaningful summer.